Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I got another box in from Fat Quarter Shop. I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. Okay, so this one's a little different. I have a couple projects coming up with Fat Quarter Shop, and they actually gifted me this fabric so that I could do this sew along for you guys. And I'm really excited. This is going to be a pattern that they have included with their Jolly Bar kit, but this fabric is going to be slightly different than what they're selling as their kit. I think the kit's going to have Camille Ross Kelly's fabric, so yay, but that wasn't in stock yet, so that's why we're going with this, and I'm super excited because you know me, I love this fabric. Okay, so you know me, I love Sweetwater fabric, and this is their newest line. Look at how cute that is. Now this is a layer cake. The pattern is actually going to be for a Jolly Bar. So we're going to use this pattern, but I'm going to have more than I actually need. So I love a good text print. You guys, this is so cute. You could make labels. Oh, this is just like their labels. In fact, I recognize several of these as their labels that I have. Okay, wait, where's my lint roller? You know me and these pink edges, guys. It makes me crazy. All right. Let me get this unwrapped here. I absolutely adore Sweetwater fabrics, you guys. I don't get to sew with them enough. I mean, is there ever enough? But this is so cute. So it looks like it's predominantly black and white and red. So kind of an interesting, oh, that's cute. Interesting, just different. You know, we kind of get in our own heads and we do the same colors over and over again. And it's spring, so we've had a lot of fun, cute pastels. So I'll be excited to work with something a little bit different. Okay. I've got most of it cleared away. Let's see what we have. So first we have our really cute little text print. It's a good day for a quilt. I love it. Okay, so I think I'm going to have to cut these, so I'm going to try to kind of keep them together. Okay, so we have a couple of those text prints, and then we move to this cute, really low volume plaid almost. And then we've got some hearts, little cross stitch. And then some pretty cursive. And it says made by hand. That's what that says. Oh, and it's like a sample stitch for anybody that really hand stitches, which is not me, but that's cute. And then our plaid again, but this time with red. Oh, look at the buttons. I know lots of people that collect buttons. That's fun. That's fun. And then our little cross stitch hearts again. Oh, that's fun. I really like this. This is a really simple palette of colors, and I think that that's going to make it really cute. Really cute. Oh, fun. I just saw somebody had made a quilt out of this same block, and it was so cute. And you could even use these in some of the Valentine's quilts or Christmas quilts if you had extra. Super cute. And then we have our print again in the red. And our cursive. We got a couple of these cross stitch hearts. And then these are our buttons with the red background. Really cute. We're moving into some pinks now. Our little cross stitch and our stitching sample set. I'm going to get there. And her cursive again. Yeah, I do like this because it does have the pinks and reds in combination, but it does not feel super Valentine-y, which I know can kind of happen easily enough. It's cute. And then we move into our black and whites, or black and creams, probably a more accurate description. We've got some buttons. Really cute. I think this is going to be a fun quilt, you guys. I skipped the sample stitch. Really fun. And I'll get you guys some close-up pictures of these. I know sometimes on these cameras it doesn't show up so great. And it's super rainy and kind of gloomy this morning. Okay, so that's the entire layer cake. And also I have these two, which are going to be our backing. So I have two different background options here. So we have our cross stitch in the white on white, which I'm going to try and get that to show up a little bit better on a regular camera for you guys. And then our cross stitch with the black and white. So I think this is going to be a really fun quilt to make, and I will definitely be posting some videos of how that comes together. Okay guys, so that's a wrap on this unboxing. I cannot wait to sew out this quilt. I think the name of it is called the Jolly Bar Jig, and it's going to, of course, this is a little bit extra because this was a layer cake. We're going to be doing it with a Jolly Bar, so I can't wait to be sharing that one with you a little bit later on next month. And until then, guys, if you do enjoy watching any of these unboxing videos or some of my other tutorials, please do hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton, and I will see you next time.